Well, I'd like to extend a warm welcome on behalf of the Western Australian Government to the International Plant and Animal Genome Conference here in Perth.
Let me first acknowledge the traditional owners of this land, the Whadjuk people of the Noongar Nation.
One of the very first global biodiversity hotspots right here in the southwestern Australia.
We have 26 countries here this time.
This conference gives us an opportunity to present our work, what we are doing in the form of presentation, a poster, and learn from the keynote speakers and from invited talks.
I have been meeting a lot of people that really understand genomics and genetics.
PAG Australia is an unique conference where we learn about the exciting science, innovations, new technologies in plants and animal genomics.
It not only has scientists from Australia, but also has a lot of scientists from India, from China, and it's good to see all these old friends gathering together.
I've just had a 1-hour conversation with a colleague who I've worked with for years, who I haven't seen really since pre-COVID, and we just came up with a fantastic ideas.
It's a terrific experience.
Australia is a perfect place because of the biodiversity.
MGI loves coming to PAG Australia because it brings so many great people together in the one spot.
We see agriculture as an exciting area that can benefit from precision genotyping where Twist really excels.
It's been an amazing experience at PAG.
This is really a fantastic PAG.
It's been a fantastic experience in PAG.
This is my poster and PAG has been wonderful.
PAG Australia!